Observing their natural behaviors allows us to witness their true essence while safeguarding their well-being and the delicate balance of their habitat. The monkey's captivating presence reminds us of the incredible diversity of life that thrives in our world. Let us cherish their existence, protecting their natural habitats and ensuring that future generations can marvel at their beauty. So, the next time you find yourself